Why outlines and shadows matter in drawing?
So let's find out.
These are the material I'm using to turn this average-looking drawing into a masterpiece.
So, stay tuned.
These kind of videos take a lot of time and patience, so watch till the end.
Outlines and shadows play a big role in bringing any drawing to life. Once the outlines and depth shadows are added, the artwork transforms completely.
All right, let's jump straight into the process without wasting time. Don't forget to give me your valuable feedback in the comments. It really helps me improve and bring you even better drawings.
Take you away! Do you understand me? You're not going anywhere! Naruto!